Hi, this is Mai from Pipa Boy Band, Sweet Label. And today, samahan niyo ako kasi maglalaro tayo ng This or That. Of course, dito tayo sa Night Owl. Kasi ever since talaga, Night Owl talaga ako. Like, nung bata pa ako. Productive kasi talaga ako kapag gumagabi na. Like, in the morning, parang nahihirapan talaga ako or nag-struggle ako na tapusin yung mga dapat kong tapusin. But during night time, as in, parang sumasabog yung utak ko ng idea. So, yeah, I'll go here sa Night Owl. Dito hard press ako on stay at home kasi homebody talaga ako and I can stay in my room, in my house for like a month or two. Kasi you know, like you can order naman, like you can do a lot of stuff naman sa bahay. Ever since talaga hindi ako mahilig lumabas-labas or gumala-gala. But of course, exceptional kapag may event. Yeah, I'm a homebody and I choose stay at home. No way! I guess this is the hardest questions talaga. Kasi you know, jazz music, rock music, any other genres pa, like lahat kasi yan pinapakinggan natin as music lovers. Ang hirap talaga, but since this is a this or that, I'm gonna choose this, rock music. Kasi rock then is in my heart and in my soul. Again, this is Mai and catch us more on Pipa Bias Spotlight here at Domo Domo.